Welcome back to another video. We are gonna dive into this beat that I made. I'm using Machine Plus. Got the launch key right here and a version of, beta version of 3.5 for the Machine software. And what I wanna do is just kind of break down this beat, how I made it. I'm just using simple sounds inside of the Native Instruments machine. I'm using a version of Complete. As you know, Complete 26 just dropped as well. So make sure you check the links in the description box below to pick up your copy today. And without further ado, we're gonna dive into this beat that I made using the Machine Plus with the launch key. So let me play a little bit so you understand what I'm working with. All right, so the first thing I started off with was the sound from 24K drums. And as you can see right here, it says glass full kit. So if I pop in a keyboard mode there, this is a play series. So I have my individual drums here. Got the snare that has a lot of texture to it. And I just kind of played the drums in to where it made sense to me. And then notice down here, you'll see the dynamics. So it just goes from just giving it that bounce. So it's all about the feel of it. Then I added this hat somewhere. Here it is right here. So I played something like that. So if I solo it, it sounds something like this here. So it just kind of gives it a little bit of bounce. The next thing I added was this keyboard part from, I think it's called Bouquet. And I believe it's one of Snipes Young's kits here. And if I play it, so a lot of times it'll just be kind of freestyling on the keys. And so I just came up with this chords here, these chords here. So that's all I'm really doing using this sound. I believe it's called 1967 from the Bouquet. And then I added this stab sound here. And this one comes from Halo Vox. And all I'm really doing is just kind of following the chords that I already played. So if I solo that up. Now if I add the instrumentation together, this is what we have. So right away, it's already sounding like something that 50 Cent would jump on. Something very unique, something different. The drums have texture. And so when you just blend just those three elements together so far, this is what you have. Let me add those drums back in. And then also I'm experimenting with a bass part here. So I have Contact, another instance of Contact loaded. I'm using this plugin called Session Bassist. This is Prime Bass. So if I want that live feel to it, So just real simple, you know, using sounds from Complete. You know, like I said, I started off with the standard edition. I just kind of upgraded my production style right away. So again, this is Machine Plus, launch key, Machine 3.5. Grab yourself a couple of those expansions, and then you're well on your way. It's your boy Young Fizz. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.